Well, things are pretty quiet this evening on our Luther Family Ford Skycam. You can't really see cold in a camera shot, but for the most part, things are dry for us across the area. So no impacts expected if you're traveling anywhere for your Tuesday evening, but you will need to bundle up as those temperatures are on the low side, especially in our northern neighborhoods. We'll talk about that in just a couple seconds. But right now at Hector International, we are at 22 degrees. And notice that dew point. That's a dew point is the measure of moisture in the air. That's at 14 degrees as we speak. So may have noticed a bit of a dry air. I mean, break out the humidifier even with that dry air we've had. So with dew points that low, with it being so dry, I expect the current temperature, the air temperature, to fall to near that dew point as we head toward the night tonight. So teens and 20s expected for those overnight lows tonight based on that dew point. And temperatures, Baudette still at 12 degrees. The pink you see there, that's this low teens that we're seeing, especially in our northern Minnesota neighborhoods. We're seeing 18 in Cavalier and Langdon, 19 still holding on in Devil's Lake, but most of that cold air is mainly in our northern neighborhoods. Down to the south, in the Southern Valley, middle to upper 20s as we speak. So again, if you're heading out and about, throw an extra coat or extra layer on what you need to do, because the wind chill in Baudette, 4 degrees. Wind chills in our northern neighborhoods. Grand Forks, a 10-degree wind chill this time, 12-degree wind chill in Devil's Lake. And that's going to be the rule of order for the next couple days, as we'll remain below average in the temperature department for the next at least the next 7 days. And so we do see some disorganized snowfall right now moving through Minot and some there through South Dakota as well. So this is all part of a bigger system that is pushing some moisture in from Montana. So you can see that cloud. The clouds mainly in our southwestern neighborhood, still seeing clear sky up in, let's say, Lake of the Woods County, Roseau County, and that's where that coldest air is, because there's no clouds. So without the cloud layer acting as a blanket, that cold, that somewhat warm air can escape right off to space. And so we're expecting those colder temperatures, of course, in northern Minnesota tonight as well. But with these clouds moving through, we can't rule out some showers or some snow showers or some flurries. Not expecting anything major in regard to accumulations, anywhere from a dusting to maybe an inch when everything's said and done come tomorrow morning. Big picture shows a lot of high pressure right here over the Great Lakes, and that's what's keeping the skies mainly clear in those northern neighborhoods. So we do have two competing systems right now, one with those clouds and one with the clear sky up north. And the hour by hour shows that we will see those clouds continue to build in, especially in our southern and western neighborhoods, and you'll see by 10:10 temperatures in the teens and 20s still. So we'll see those flurries and snow showers moving across the area, again, mainly in our western neighborhoods. By 7:30 a.m., we'll see some clear sky pushing into our northwestern neighborhoods, and that will keep the temperatures even colder up there. Single digits, not out of the question, folks, in the Devil's Lake Basin. Still holding on to those clouds in our Minnesota neighborhoods. But as we head toward lunchtime on Wednesday, those skies will gradually begin to clear. Perhaps a few clouds or even a few flurries lingering in Minnesota, but the wind, those blue arrows, the wind from the north, will bring a wind chill to the forecast for most of the day tomorrow. But I expect things to be quiet as we head toward dinner time tomorrow. And you see those northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour through the day. We'll start off around 20. We'll top out around 28 here in Fargo. Your hometown forecast shows low 20s in the Devil's Lake Basin and in the Minnesota neighborhoods, but you see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies expected for your Wednesday. Beautiful shot from Grand Forks. Thanks so much, David, for sending in that beautiful shot of the Sorley Bridge, and we'll take a look at the planner. So Thursday, expect sun to move in as high pressure builds and stays in for the rest of the week. The warm-up comes Friday, mid-30s, maybe low 40s on Friday, but then we're tracking a chance of some snow showers on Saturday. Right now, not looking like any major accumulations on Saturday, but we'll be breezy and cool for the weekend.
That is a pretty picture.
That's a beautiful picture. With the low clouds and the water, beautiful shot.
And the waters are still a little high.
Yeah.
All right.